Do you feel stuck, like life is on repeat? You read the books, watch the self-improvement videos, take the advice, but somehow, nothing changes. Deep down, you know why. All these solutions feel good, but they don't last. That's because self-improvement isn't the answer. Self-destruction is. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Self-destruction doesn't mean harming yourself, it means tearing down the false image you've built of who you are. Let me ask you, how many times have you tried to fix yourself? Stacking habits, routines, and tips like bricks on a crumbling foundation? Here's the truth, you can't build something great on a foundation that's broken. If you want lasting change, you need to strip away the old version of yourself first. Let me explain how. Real change doesn't come from adding more layers to who you are. It comes from breaking down who you think you are. Your current identity? It's a product of years of conditioning by society, your upbringing, and even your failures. You've been told what to believe, how to act, and what you're capable of. Think about it, how often do you sabotage your own success? Every time you try to level up, something pulls you back. That's not bad luck, that's your outdated self-image keeping you stuck. To move forward, you must destroy the old to make space for the new. Here's the first step, figure out what's holding you back. Take a moment and ask yourself, what do I believe about myself? I'm not good enough. I don't have what it takes. I can't afford that. These beliefs are the chains keeping you locked in place. But here's the thing, those thoughts? They aren't facts. They're just stories. Stories you've been told and stories you've chosen to believe. Want proof? Think of someone who already has what you want. They're no smarter than you. No more capable. The difference is, they've built their lives on a different story. Now comes the hard part, destroying the stories. Imagine this, your beliefs are like an old, dusty script you've been following your whole life. What if you took that script, ripped it apart, and set it on fire? Here's how you start. Write down the limiting beliefs you've uncovered. For each one, ask, who gave me this belief? Is it actually true? Spoiler alert, it's not. Here's the kicker, destroying those beliefs means losing a part of yourself. It's uncomfortable. It feels like free-falling. But that's where transformation begins. Once you've let go of the old stories, you're left with a blank slate. And that's powerful. With no baggage, no false beliefs, and no limiting self-image holding you back, you're free to rebuild. Start small. What kind of person do I want to become? What would that person believe? What habits would they have? This isn't about pretending, it's about stepping into a new identity. The moment you act like the person you want to become, you start to become that person. Here's the secret no one tells you, self-destruction isn't a one-time thing. Every time you reach a new level in life, you'll hit another wall. Another belief will surface. Another outdated version of yourself will need to be destroyed. It's a cycle, destroy, rebuild, grow. The more you embrace this, the faster you'll rise. Forget self-improvement. Improvement is surface level. It's a shiny coat of paint on a crumbling structure. If you want real, lasting change, you need to grab a sledgehammer and tear down the walls of who you used to be. Because destruction isn't the end, it's the beginning. So, are you ready to destroy your old self and rebuild someone stronger? If you are, hit that like and subscribe button, because this journey is just getting started.